Mike GTV. B. 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 B.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
I need something like this. Didn't Urkel have one of these in one of the shows? Yeah, this is the one that opens from the front. Urkel had one in the show. Mad little. It's nice. Alright, I just took my amp apart. This is my amp. This is how it looks on the bottom. I gotta clean that up. And right here, it looked kind of funny, so I put some solder in there, those two spots. Right there and right there. I put some solder in there. I don't know if that's gonna help it, but hopefully. That's the only thing I see really that look funny. So I'm not an amp repair guy or whatever, but the legs was coming through and it didn't look like the solder was connected. So trying to zoom right there, those two things. But I don't know, I'm gonna put it back together and hopefully it will work. This is all the pieces to put it back together right here. You see I was cleaning that brown stuff off the solder. But put it back together and clean it up a little bit more, get this dust out of here. Try to get that brown stuff out of there and put it back together. Alright, I was having a problem with putting this one in right here, this clip, on these little ones, so I don't know if I messed anything up. I don't know, but I got it on there. These clips are really tough. You gotta put them all the way up on both sides. Alright, I put it back together. Gonna see if this thing works now. Alright, now this one, the red goes to this one and it should come on. a nice green. Looks like it's still working. Let me try to put some sound through it. Use this again. So with the left side was the one that was turning off, so I'm gonna try that one. Alright, the volume's up. I'm gonna try it one more time. Everything's hooked up. The remote goes to the power. Power's in the bottom. Lights coming on. It's playing music. It's playing, so I'm gonna try to hook it up tomorrow in the car. Hopefully everything's right. Turn all this power off. Shut everything down. That's about it. It's working. Alright, I really didn't feel like doing it. Yesterday was Monday. I guess I'm gonna do it today. It's getting cold, man. I don't feel like doing anything but staying in the bed. But yeah, I'm gonna find a place to do this real quick. Gonna change those spark plugs and wires. I'm not gonna do the fuel filter today because I'm pretty sure I don't have the tools on me. I gotta figure out what size that is for that fuel filter, because that's a really big wrench. But I'm gonna find a spot to do this, and I'll probably turn you guys back on. I want to see how fast I can do it. I have all the tools that I need, that I should need in the bag, so I should be all set. I should just be able to do the job real quick without having to run back to the trunk or find another tool. I just want to see how fast I can do this. Alright, it's 10:19. I got everything I need in this bag right here, all the tools, all the stuff. So, see how fast this takes me to do. Look, already, the first one I pulled broke. The thing broke out of there. The first one. Gonna check the gap on the first one. I just took it out. It's really hot too. But I put them to 80. It's about 75. Ooh, this thing is hot. It's about 75. But this time I'm gonna put them on 60, so ooh, this thing is hot. I think these are the same number ones that I have. Let me see. 46 SZ, same ones. But let me finish this job. I'm already wasting time out here. All right, it's 10:46. I got half of them done. You see right there, I got 4 wires left. I gotta go to the other side now. All 3 but the back one, the terminal inside the spark plug broke. But let me start with the other one. I gotta get this done and over with. I had 11:16. That one in the back, I don't know if it's clipped on. It's on there, but I don't know if it's on there right. But about to try to start it up, make sure everything's good. The ones in the back are really hard to get on and off. But let me start this thing up. These are all the old ones right here. Got stuff everywhere. Let me try to start it up. I don't even know where I put the keys. Gotta clean all this mess up now. Put everything back together. And that's about it. I'm done for the day. I did bring the fuel filter, but it's right there. I'm not gonna put that on right now because I told you I don't have the tool. Just gonna clean all this stuff up. I'm done for the day. So it's 11:27. I am out of here. Time to find some breakfast. I didn't eat anything yet. I did that in Collier Park because I figured nobody would mess with me. Still people coming to talk. Mike G TV. B.